Any idea how we are saying Aquarius sign? Okay, we are trying to see how that share is performing today. Okay, that Sun Pharmaceutical company, Sun, Sa, that belongs to the
Shatabhisha 4.
Shatabhisha Nakshatra.
Part 4.
Shatabhisha 4. And that Shatabhisha Nakshatra belongs to the Aquarius sign. That's why I'm taking Aquarius.
I see. Thank you.
Like this. So we will see about this all basic things in our upcoming class. Okay. Today I'm just giving you the overall demo, like what we are doing.
Sir, may I ask a question regarding this point?
Yes.
Sir, you just said that Bajaj, there are two Bajajes, one was up and one was down. Auto and finance. So, but the name is same.
Name are same, correct. Name are same, nakshatra are same, rashi are same. Okay. But the nature is different.
Nature means?
Nature means like Bajaj Auto deals with the automobile industry.
Okay.
Bajaj Finance deals with the finance industry.
Sector is different.
Sector is different.
So auto means Venus and then finance means Mercury. So the Venus is positive, like Teji.
Mercury or Jupiter. Mercury and Jupiter. Like
yeah, that. and then both are Mandi Karaka. So that's why. So is this your chain of thought?
Yes. You somehow you are right. Okay, but you have to think Jupiter and this Mercury both are Mandi and they are always Mandi. It means Bajaj Finance never grew. This is logically incorrect, no?
Yes, but obviously they would keep coming in conjunction, and then they would keep getting aspected by different dynamics. So it will go on, isn't it?
I will show you one example today in class. Okay, so that you can understand the difference. Okay, see, here's the nature of signs and the planets. Okay, like Sun is bullish. We know Sun is bullish. That is a general statement. Okay, but it can change. Its nature.
Yes, because Sun is not going to stay static in the sky. It's going to keep moving. So as it keeps on moving, it's going to come in conjunction with the planets, and then it'll go through different signs.
If you don't take conjunction, also like for Leo Lagna, let's say when market opens, Lagna will be Leo. For Leo Lagna, Sun is not Malefic, Sun is Benefic.
And then there's effect of degrees also. These degrees are bullish.
Degree also, effect of Lagna also. By nature, Sun is Malefic, Sun is a bullish trend. Bullish shows bullish trend. Okay. Let's say if Lagna is a Leo itself. Okay. And during that Lagna, Sun will behave somehow like bearish also. Okay. So Lagna modifies the nature. You know about functional Malefic and functional Benefic.
Yes.
They're applying the same thing. When it can change the nature of planets. So that Bajaj Finance, which belongs to the planet like Mercury and Jupiter, both are bearish. Okay. But that depends upon the Udaya Lagna or the rising ascendant at the market open time. Or let's say if you are analyzing the market for 1 hour only, for 1 hour. For that 1 hour, also you can create a chart. And you can see the transiting planets for 1 hour only for that 1 hour duration. In 1 hour duration, planet will not move, but degree will change. So all these things we have to consider. I will show you one example today. Okay, like we are talking about that Sun Pharmaceutical. Okay. So Neeraj, I will chart share karo. So this is a chart for today market opening time 9:15 morning Mumbai. Correct? Now I will not show you the whole system, what I am using and what we are going to use in future. Okay, but I will give you some pointers here. Okay, I will not take Sarotobhadra Chakra today. It will take more time to show you only the analysis, but I will take simpler one. Okay, so we are talking about that Sun Pharmaceutical. It belongs to the Aquarius sign. Correct? So when market opens, Lagna is at 29 degrees, Sagittarius 20 minutes. All able to see this chart?
Correct.
Lagna is at 29 degree. There's a South Indian and North Indian both charts you can see on your screen. Now, Aquarius sign falls in the third house of this chart.
Yes.
And in third house, we have Jupiter. Who is Jupiter? Jupiter is a Lagna lord.
Lagna lord, yeah.
Okay, Jupiter shows bearish or bullish?
Bearish.
Bearish trend. Okay, Saturn. Third house lord is Saturn. Okay,
Yeah.
Aquarius sign lord is Saturn. That
Yeah.
Saturn is in second house with Venus. Okay, Venus again bearish or bullish?
Bullish.
Bullish.
Well, okay. Saturn is in its own sign. Second house. Okay, so I'm not giving you the advanced things in this class. Okay, but let's talk about the general astrology. Okay, so can you say this third house is afflicted by malefics?
Third house or second house?
Third house. Aquarius. We are talking about Aquarius sign.
Yes,
Yes,
by
sir.
Mars.
By Mars.
It is Mars of
Mars is aspecting from 12th house from its own sign, but for
And
Dhanu Lagna, Mars is a 5th house lord also. Its Moon-Saturn sign is falling in the 5th house. So this aspect of Mars from the 12th house to Jupiter, we will not consider it as a complete malefic aspect.
all right.
Okay, but for now, just consider it. So when market opens, okay, Jupiter is a benefic one here. Okay, I'm just giving you simpler rules, but there are more meanings for this. Okay, I will teach you later on. But for now, just pay attention on the Aquarius sign, Saturn, Jupiter. You can see Sun here. Sun and Lagna both are at the same degree, correct?
Sun, yeah.
Degree wise, yes. Okay, 29 degree, 29.
29.
Now, we are talking about the Aquarius sign. It means we have to see that third house cuspal lord also. That is a complete thing. Okay. So how to see the cuspal lord? Cuspal lord means I'm talking about Nakshatra lord. I'm talking about the Nakshatra lord. Okay, Nakshatra lord of what? Nakshatra lord of that third house Aquarius sign.
Aquarius.
Now,
Dhanishta, Mars.
how can you check it? Okay, Dhanishta, let's see it. And you can see here, third house, Nakshatra lord is Jupiter, not Mars. This is how you can see in the
Third house, Nakshatra lord.
Jyoga. Okay, Jupiter. So just note down Saturn, Jupiter, and Sun. Correct? So Jupiter is a Lagna lord also, and Jupiter is a cuspal Nakshatra lord of third house. In both cases, Jupiter is having more strength. Okay. So anyway, it will not show any bullish trend. So it can't reach to the top gainers today, at least, by seeing this situation. Okay. For now, just note down the degree of Lagna Sun as well as degree of Moon, 15 degree, correct? 36 minutes. And now see the degree of Saturn, 16 degree Capricorn. Okay. So in the whole market, two things are very important, Lagna and Chandra. Okay, because these two elements are fast moving, keep changing at very fast speed, correct? Sun will not move for 1 month.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what will move every day?
Moon.
Okay. And Lagna also. Lagna is changing.
Lagna, every 2 hours almost.
So you need to pay very close attention to at least for these two entities, Lagna and Chandra. Correct? So now just for now, just for reference, note down the degrees of Moon, Saturn, and Sun. Okay, we have seen this. Now, if I want to make this as a bullish Aquarius, if I want to give some strength for the bullish, I need to make Jupiter as malefic. For Dhanu Lagna, there is no possibility to become Jupiter as a malefic. Okay. First thing. First thing. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea like how you can think about this. Okay. Second thing is, you can see here degree wise, Moon and Saturn both are very close, only 1 degree difference. Okay, if by any means Moon and Saturn comes to the same degree, now some significant event will take place. Okay, you can apply to any planet like this,
Irrespective of the sign.
irrespective of the sign. Okay, it means this is giving you just a broad idea. Yes, something is going to happen with this. Okay, so now if I want to check this Aquarius sign, see, stock market opens at 9:15 and close at 3:30. It means in between this time, Lagna will change.
Yeah.
Okay, Lagna will change. It means the nature of that Aquarius sign will also change with the Lagna. Correct? So for now, because the third house cuspal lord is Jupiter and the Lagna lord is also Jupiter, we are saying this will go as a bearish trend. It means it will lose. Okay, but when the cuspal lord changes and when Jupiter becomes somehow malefic, okay, and when Moon and Saturn comes in the same degree, this can gain this trend. Correct? So we can check in between 9:15 to 3:30 at what time Lagna is changing.
If Jupiter becomes the functional malefic, then it can
create in Pisces sign it can create effect, because in Pisces sign it goes to the 12th house.
12th house.
Okay, and we can but we have to check other parameters also, because here cuspal lord will play a very important role. Okay, but for now in the market opens, Jupiter is a cuspal lord of third house. Yes, so now we have changed it to 1 hour. Okay, plus 1 hour, 10:15. So now the Lagna is Capricorn. Jupiter becomes the third house and in the second house. Correct?
Functional malefic. Is 12th lord also?
12th lord also, but still, see, this can give some strength. Okay, but not that much. So if you can search on internet, when market opens, this must show downward trend, this Sun Pharma. So when Capricorn sign rises, then also we can see downward trend. So let's change one more. In previous Lagna also, Aquarius in the second house, correct? So we have to check second house cuspal lord. That is important. So now it becomes Lagna. So here Mars. So Mars is aspecting Lagna itself. Mars is aspecting Lagna itself, and Saturn, the Aquarius lord, in the 12th house with Venus. Okay, एक बार दोबारा की info पे जाओ. Now pay attention to this Saturn and Moon degree. Now they are in the same degree.
Yeah, almost
in the same degree. Okay, sometime 1 degree plus minus happens, but now it's almost the same degree. Okay, let's check one more Lagna. Okay, 12:44 p.m. At that time, Pisces sign rise. Okay, Jupiter in 12th house, Mars in the Aquarius sign aspecting Jupiter. एक बार इसका KP वो check करना, cuspal degree. You have to check the 12th house now. This is again Mars. दोबारा जाओ degrees पे, की info पे.
चला गया.
Check the degree of Moon and Saturn. That is all the near. Okay, before it was 16:16. Okay, now it's 16:17. You can take 1 degree plus minus. So when Moon and Saturn reaches, by that time ना वो gain करना शुरू हो जाएगा. It will start the gaining. ठीक है. और जब ये Lagna rise होगा, उसको और boost मिलेगा, and you will see a significant rise in that script of Sun Pharmaceutical. If anybody can see the timeline of that share, you can check after 12:44 it will rise. कोई देख सकता है किस तरह से? Let me check it. कुछ तो option होगा इसमें. I found it. Let me show you. Can you see it? This is the graph. Okay. You can check here. 9:15 market opens. You start going down. Here, here. Then we have 12:44, 33, 32, 39, 41, 44. This is the thing. This is what we are checking right now. Correct? And after that, you can see between 12:43 to 12:56, within almost 10 minutes, we can say 10 minutes around. Within difference of 10 minutes, you can see this rise here. Exactly after 1, it will start rising, and then it comes to the top gear now. Now the important thing what we want to learn from this is degrees play a very important role. Depending on the Lagna, planet will change its nature. Correct? So these two things you need to be very careful when you study the market trends. Okay, all is mathematical, hypothetical, and कोई दैविक शक्ति, कुछ blessings, ये सब नहीं है कुछ. ठीक है, all is mathematical. सब काम करेगा अपना. ठीक? But it will require a lot of practice. So if you're ready to do hard work and practice, see more charts, and more charts, you will see. Okay. So we will start with very basic things in classes. So don't worry about the advanced concept and Sarvata, whether if it is looking something weird and all, don't worry. Okay, we can do it.